Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Jada, aka Jada Mae, and welcome to my channel. And if you're a return subscriber, then welcome back, honey. Today, as you can see, I'm in my restroom. We are winding down, and as you can see by the title, this is my nighttime routine, aka the skin routine that y'all been waiting for, or that I've been getting questions about. So I'm finally gonna do my skin routine for you guys. So, disclaimer, this is just the stuff that works for my face. I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about my face when I get started. But before I start this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bells so you get all of my notifications when I post a video. I post videos every Thursday at 4 p.m. So make sure y'all are tuning into that. Okay, so let's get right into this video.
Right on, baby. Right on. I can take a far, baby. You are now tuned in to the...
Okay, so first off, I just want to say that my skin is like a mixture. I have like a dry, oily. My face is like, after I wash it, it's dry, or like get out the shower, or like, you know what I mean? But if I wear makeup, those sorts of things, my face is real oily. You know what I mean? So I don't know if that's everybody. I know some people, they put on makeup, it's real dry. Some people put on makeup, it's different. So that's just my little thing. These are the products that work for me right now. I'm not really that acne prone. I do get little bumps on my face if I'm eating bad, or if like it's that time of the month or something like that. That's usually the times that I normally, have those situations. Or like sometimes I have little whiteheads. So this is just my nighttime routine. I kind of do something else in the morning time, and it just kind of depends on how I'm feeling, but this is what I use right now. So I use my little bar soap. I have this bar soap right here, and then I have my Noxzema pads. That was for a little thumbnail, sorry y'all. These Noxzema pads is called Ultimate Clear Anti-Blemish Pads. I love these, y'all. I love Noxzema products in general. It's really good. And this cleansing bar that I have is Ambi. I like Ambi and Noxzema products. They're old products, but they work so good. Also, I use Lush. I like Lush, like cleansing bars and stuff like that, in their scrubs and their facials. It's all natural, so I love it. And I love this. This is one of my favorite toners. It's called Aroma Water. It has lavender and rose, and it's so nice and it smells so good. They have another one. It's like a tea tree oil one. I like it, but it's over here. It's fire. Next, I use my Ambi Fade Cream. I get the normal one. There's one normal and one's oily. So if you're dry, then I get this normal one. This is pretty thick. It works good. Some people use like, my cousin, she uses Survey as her moisturizer. You just really have to figure out what you like. This is light, but I feel like it's good for my skin. It's thick. It's not too thick. The Survey is a little more thicker. If your skin's a little more drier, then that'll be good for you. And lastly, I have The Ordinary. It's some organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. I use a lot of rose in my stuff, and I put that on I put that on after I put my moisturizer on, which y'all are about to see right now. So first, I'm gonna make sure my hands are clean, because I don't know, whatever you've been doing, I know I've been touching my hair, so I just want to make sure that my hands are nice and clean before I start. Make sure you have like a face towel, a dry face towel next to you. I only care to use cold water on my face when I'm washing my face. Like when I wake up, I wash my face with a hot towel just to like wake me up. Boom. When I go to sleep, I put a hot towel to open up the pores. This spin, but like when I'm rinsing off my face, I use the cold water. So when I lather up my soap, I wet the soap, and then I want y'all to be able to see. I just do like this. That's it. And I lather it up so it kind of looks like this. And then I just do circular motions. I try to do this for about like 60 seconds. I just kind of massage, or what I think is 60 seconds. So I just kind of relax. Massage. I have lashes on, even though they're kind of coming off. Well, actually, they're halfway gone. But, they're halfway gone, guys. You gotta just void your eyes. Please void your eyes, because soap in your eyes hurt really bad. So I'm just gonna do this for a little bit. Y'all, I've been on TikTok a lot lately, and I've been seeing a lot of like people doing like their do's and don'ts at weddings, or like their wedding rules. You know what I mean? And I just haven't really thought about it that much. Like, what would I don't know, like, should we make a list? Should we make a list right now? I don't know. I think, okay, so I definitely wouldn't want kids in my wedding. No kids. Well, actually, I don't know, because I know it just depends on how old the kids are and who kids it is. But at a certain time, the kids need to go, or just don't bring them. You know what I mean? It's just, that's all I gotta say. The older people need to be gone by 9:30 at the latest, maybe at 30 seconds. I don't. You know what I don't like? I don't like it when people do like big things at like other people's events. Like, I don't get that. I don't like that too much. Like, why would you do that? I don't know. That's just me. I would not want somebody to do something like that. So now we're gonna get our towel, and I'm just gonna wet the corner. And there. Now, I'm not just doing this because I have my lashes on. That's what I normally do. I normally do this just because my lashes are on. But I figured out that, you know, you're really wiping the dirt off whenever you use a towel, instead of using, like, putting your face down and rinsing it out. And this is why I know some people like to do this, but I recommend do not wash your face in the shower. Don't. Because you can't really, with your skin routine, you really just need to kind of like see what you're doing. I feel like it takes time. You have to take the time out, just like you take the time out to perfect something or work on something or study. You have to take the time out for your skin. And that's what I feel like you do when you do this. I try to refrain from washing my face before I get in the shower, because I feel like I sweat. Like, I'm sweating, and now my pores, the salt is coming out. So I try to do it afterwards, because now my body's clean, then I can clean my face. It's like a little effect, a snowball effect. So now my face is nice and clean, feeling fresh. I get my blemish wipes. So back to continuing what I was talking about. I don't know what colors I want for my wedding either. Sometimes at the same time I'll be thinking like, I don't even want to think about a wedding because I'm single out here. I mean, I'm living my best single life, but still, like, who has time to think about a wedding right now? And it's funny because people be thinking about kids, but like, y'all don't be thinking about a wedding. Like, y'all want a kid before a wedding? A wedding is less expensive than a kid. Facts. Next, spray. And I just don't understand that. Like, I don't want a kid right now at all. I really hope my friends don't have kids anytime soon, because even though it would be cute, but at the same time, I kind of want, I'm 20. And so I kind of want my 21st birthday, everybody to be not pregnant so we can turn up. Because I'm the younger one in the group, in the friend group. So I would kind of like if everybody would be able to drink in my function. You feel me? That's all. That's all I gotta say about that. But that's just that. I would really hope that that's the case. But anyways, a lot of people are pregnant out here right now, or having a baby. Congratulations to all the soon-to-be moms, all that good stuff. But sis, I can't even get jiggy with it. I'm still trying to get myself together. Cause I feel like men don't be thinking about that stuff, like things like that. Like they don't be thinking like a woman has to go through these things. Like a woman has to, like, y'all do this, y'all get this moment of pleasure, and then now the woman has to spend 9 months uncomfortable, etc. because y'all don't know how to, you know what I mean, get out the train station, you know what I mean? Like, and I mean, I understand things happen. God does things. So this is the finished look. So this is my skin post skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching this video and tuning in. My skincare routine is really slight. Everything is very affordable. The most something costs, okay, this is probably the only thing that's probably a little expensive, but if you get the smaller bottle, it's probably like $10, $9. But I really like it. And you don't have to use this. You don't have to use this as a toner. You can use like the witch hazel. Witch hazel is very good for your skin as well. Reduces redness. And witch hazel is good in general to just, sometimes your skin can be inflamed, all that other good stuff. I'm trying to hurry up because my phone is out of storage. You can get this from Walmart or the beauty supply. Same as the soap. So this is both by Ambi, and it looks just like this. And then the Noxzema is very good, like I already said. And then this is the Lush. And then the Ordinary, you can get it from Sephora, Ulta. I'm going to put links below. Alright guys, this is my finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something from this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm going to see you all in my next video. See you later.